Start. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am sure that you are maintaining a good health and taking best precaution during this epidemic period. We spoke about induction program in our previous version of video. Now we have in our briefcase to talk about a philosophical talk which I have developed way back 22 years and published in the international magazines. The topic related was home versus organization to home organization. Again I say home versus organization to home organization. How in this philosophy you are common. You means employee. How employee feel if he or she is comfortable sitting in house as I am visible in my attire, and how he feels, how she feels working in organization. Normally it is environment related, organizational environment, organizational culture related pep talk. When you are at home, you are very comfortable. You are king of your philosophy and of your choice. What you think, that you do. And what you do, that results into a happiness to you. Like in your home, you don't want to be dictated by different family member. Sit here, go there, do this, don't do this, peep there, sleep there, move there, sit there. All these kind of the things, which are the part of your day-to-day activities, especially when you are at home. Your mother is big administrator. Your father with the conservative feel is another administrator. Your elder brother, your elder sister, your younger brother, your younger sister, hold they keep you busy मोर ओपनली आई हैव टू टॉक। भाई गैस का सिलेंडर ला देना, राशन वाले के यहाँ से जाके राशन ला देना, परचेज का काम हो गया। सिलेंडर लाना एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन एंड परचेज का काम हो गया। किसी को पैसा दे के आ जाना अकाउंट्स का काम हो गया। 2-4 गेस्ट आ गए, उनके लिए थोड़ा सा सब सोफ़ा वोफा सही कर लेना, घर सही कर लेना, उनको आदर भाव से बुला लेना। सो दैट इज़ द हॉस्पिटैलिटी यू हैव बीन आस्क्ड टू एक्सटेंड। Likewise, and depend on the case to case basis, you are engaged or you have been engaged with activities when you are at home. Similarly, having the boss in the office, peers in the office, subordinates in the office, someone has asked you to do, someone is contributing your hand and helping you to do that work, someone is guiding you, and someone again is asking you to go and do this work. You do it purposely and religiously. If there is a negative vibration, तुम ये नहीं करता, तुम वो नहीं करता, तुम इधर देखता है, तुम उधर देखता है, तुम कहाँ चले गए थे, you know this kind of the टोका टोकी goes on in the house. You gets bored. अरे क्या यार, क्या मम्मा काय आई, तू काय करत आहे, माझा आवडत नाही आहे, मी चालले। आप चले गए, थोड़ी देर बाद भूख लगी, आए, खा करके फिर लेट गए, पिताजी आके बोल गए इसको देखो, जब देखो तब सोता रहता है। अगेन यू गॉट बोर, जो है अगेन यू गॉट अपसेट। यार देखो, जिसको देखो वही चौंकता रहता है, जिसको देखो वही कुछ ना कुछ हमको टॉन्ट कसता रहता है, कुछ ना कुछ बोलता रहता है। सिमिलरली इन दी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, अरे भाई इंटरव्यू ले लेना, इंटरव्यू लेके आए, अरे ज़रा सा उसको जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन दूसरे वाले का देख लेना, अरे तीसरे वाले के कितनी सीवी निकली वो देख लेना आप, जो है अरे पेरोल का अभी कैलकुलेशन नहीं हुआ भाई, ज़रा देख लेना। एक आदमी नया ज्वाइन किया, उसकी एंट्री हुई कि नहीं, सैप में एंट्री हुई, ERP में एंट्री हुई कि नहीं हुई, जो है उसका जब सब कुछ जो है फाइल वगैरह बन गया कि नहीं बन गया। तो व्हाट आई एम प्रेजेंटिंग हियर, very practical, close to your day-to-day life in home and at organization. Whatever I can recall and remember, I am citing example and comparing with the organization and home and organization. If you are in negative vibration here at home, then you feel very pinching. There, if in organization you are having the negative hapadapi, pucha pachi, toka taki, then you are uncomfortable. But as I said in my previous version of video induction program, how you take the person on the board, select job offer letter, documentation, letter of appointment, and induction program. Why you do all these things? Because you are making person very comfortable, that you are not going to ask haphazardous question and answer, but most likely question is given to you. Keep yourself ready, doing the regular work. And sometimes if your boss has given you or any other senior has given you, then you perform those things also. And then as you are comfortable in your house, you become the comfortable in the organization also. Level of the defective work, defective task is the very controlled. Then as you are happy with your brother, sister, mother and father, Similarly, you are not doing mistake, you are happy with your seniors, superiors, peers and subordinates, and thus you makes a very very comfortable home organization. So like in house you are comfortable, with the full confidence you perform and win the confidence of your people. Similarly, you perform in the organization, understanding the work methodology, procedure, system, flow, and thus you feel as good as you are working in the home, and thus it is not the organization with the torture, with the disturbance, with the destruction, rather it has become the home organization where very comfortably you are working and giving your best to the organization. Thank you very much. This I was about to convey you through this small video. Thank you. We will meet another video. Namaskar.